As a land use partner at McKenna, Lyons, and Aldridge, what I'm engaged in, as much as compliance with the local regulations, is the work of identifying trends and developing action strategies so that my clients are ahead of the curve. They're to the race early. They're going to be at the right place at the right time. That's very different than just checking boxes and filling in forms. It's the work of being actively engaged in the world and anticipating what's coming next. So there are 4 trends that I'm beginning to see that I think we ought to be very aware of for future development opportunities. The first is that we are shifting dramatically our approach to the environment and sustainability. The baby boomers own it intellectually. They understand it, they believe in it to varying degrees, but it's not a visceral ownership at this point. What I'm finding is that the young professionals, the Gen Xers and the millennials, actually have sustainability as part of their DNA. That is, it's no longer a question that they have to be sustainable. It is a part of appropriate living. And that's having a dramatic effect on what their expectations are for where they want to work, how they want to live, and how to get from place to place. I was recently working with a social media giant whose campus is next to a major natural resource in the Bay Area. And it was really interesting to watch the level of engagement from the rank and file employees to their location and how the existing natural habitat drove them into a greater level of interest in and desire to participate in sustainability efforts. So what I'm saying about the sustainability being in the DNA is that to a certain extent our generation has helped them understand that the environment is important. But when I talk about the baby boomers kind of owning it cognitively, the millennials are actually, they're ready to put their bodies in the way. You know, they're going to go out and plant trees. They're going to go out and clean up debris. They're going to go out and engage young people in teaching them the next generation of thought on sustainability. It's really remarkable to see how real this issue is for them. It's not an intellectual process. It's really something that's in the heart and in the gut. It's really remarkable, and I don't think that's going to go away. So that means that if you're building product, you've got to bear in mind that the people who will be buying it and occupying it are going to look at your sustainability credentials. Are you in a LEED building? Are you using sustainable landscaping? Are you being smart with the use of water and power? Those are all features that are really going to be a part of the next generation of decision makers. So you can't ignore that information. You can't ignore that attitude, and you can't ignore the passion. If you miss the passion, you're going to miss the boat.